Today we'll talk about how can you use screen on your iPhone. So all you have to do in verse, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, it's going to show for you like this here. You go down, just click here on control center here. So then it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you just keep going down, then you're looking here for screen recording, just click on it, or you click on this sign. So then you will find it here in up, you will find here screen recording. So then you exit, you just sorry, so in here you go. So when we swipe your iPhone, you will find it here. And here can you screen, just click on it like you see. So then it's going to screen with you like you see now. And here make sure to, when you click on it here, make sure to enable your voice. This means now it's disabled with us now. When you click on it here, so click on it again, it's going to enable with you here. Can you stop recording here? So then, and here can you start recording here? So that's all you have to do to start your recording here. So in here you will find your recording in photo here like you see. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.